Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make a calculator with ChatGPT in less than 2 minutes. We will ask ChatGPT to generate HTML code for calculator. We have to wait till it generates the code. After the HTML code, we will generate CSS code, and now we will generate JavaScript code with ChatGPT. So our codes are ready to use. Now we will go to Visual Studio to run our website. But first, we have to make code files, so I will make an HTML file first and a JavaScript file, and last we will make a CSS file. So now we have to paste the codes into these files. So I will paste HTML code and other. So after pasting these codes, I am going to run the codes with the Chrome web page. As you can see, our calculator is working without any problem, and I am doing some calculations for you. Now we will copy the link and see how our calculator will look on other devices. So for that, I will open the responsive app to check it. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to the channel.